Okay, welcome back everyone. So in today's session, we are going to build the project which is based on the tilt sensor. So आज देखेंगे अपन कि tilt sensor को कैसे अपन इंटरफेस कर सकते हैं Arduino के साथ and what kind of projects we can make by using tilt sensor. Tilt sensor. So here we are using the tilt sensor name SW200D or you can call SW200D. It's a tilt sensor. Now there are various uses of tilt sensor in real life applications. Like you can make different kinds of projects by using the tilt sensor. Like so, if you like for example, if you can see this real life example, like the watches, like smart bands and fitness bands, you can see. So whenever you turn the watch upside, then automatically the display of that watch will turn on. So this is just a simple example. This is just one example of the tilt sensor. So you can do lot more projects by using the tilt sensor. So in today's session, basically I am using the tilt sensor and one LED. So whenever that tilt sensor will tilt, the LED will flash. So this is the basic example I wanted to do here. So based on this basic example, you can take it forward. आप यहाँ से काफी सारे projects बना सकते हो. एक बार आप सीख लीजिए कि कैसे इसे इंटरफेस किया जाता है और कैसे आप Arduino से आउटपुट ले सकते हो या कैसे आप Arduino से डिफरेंट चीजें एक्चुएट कर सकते हो. So first of all, I wanted to give you the demo how it works. So let's see, and after that we'll build it from the scratch. Okay. So I'll click on the simulation. Let's click on the simulation, and now I'll click on the sensor. To tilt my sensor, I have this option here. Whenever I tilt it, so you will see this red LED will flash. It will turn on and off very fast. So I have kept the time accordingly. यहाँ पे आप कोडिंग में देख सकते हो कि मैंने जो टाइम है उनके बीच में काफी कम रखा है. So ये कोडिंग, this is the coding part. So let's get started. We'll see how to do this and how to do the wiring. So first of all, let me clear everything so that you can understood better. Okay. Yeah, there is nothing left now. Code is not there. Everything is gone. Now let's click on. Let's type Arduino. I'll take this Arduino with the breadboard. You can do whatever you want. Let's get tilt sensor and one register. This one and one LED we need. आप इससे काफी प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं. दिस इज जस्ट अ सिंपल प्रोजेक्ट. आप अभी एक बार सर्किट डायग्राम देख लीजिए कैसे कर सकते हैं. इसे रोटेट कर लेते हैं हम. ओके, दिस इज हाउ वी कैन कनेक्ट इट. So I am given power connection. You can see this is the red wire. This power is goes from here to here. Okay, let's use the, just a second, I'll make it here. Okay. Yes, I have to give the plus 5 volt supply to this, negative one, that is ground terminal to this. You can see on the screen now. So this is the negative terminal. Let's give this supply from here to here. All these are internally connected. Okay, so yes, now let's go to this terminal from here. I just wanted to take this out from, use this D2. ओके, सो हियर बेसिकली क्या किया है यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो. ये एक वोल्टेज डिवाइडर तैयार किया है. आप देख सकते हो. आई विल गिव द 10 किलो ओम रजिस्टर. एक वोल्टेज डिवाइडर तैयार किया है सो दैट वी कैन एबल टू टेक आउट द आउटपुट. आफ्टर दैट वी वांटेड टू यूज वन LED हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स यूज वन रजिस्टर. वन मोर रजिस्टर आई नीड here, connect it here. Okay, so this is the cathode. It should be connected to the ground. Let's connect it to the ground. I guess this is the ground. I guess yes, this is the ground. Let's connect it here. So it's automatically get connected after that. Sorry, I don't need this one. Okay, so now I'll connect it to the here to here to. It's connected to the pin number 9. Okay, so जो all the positive supply should be in red color. सभी को रेड कलर कर देंगे अपन जो भी पॉजिटिव है. those which is ground, let's make it black. Let's make it black. Yeah, now we have done with the circuit diagram. It's very easy. It's, you can see, if you don't understood, you can just put your question in comment. Now it's very important part. Let's do the coding. It's very important part. So first of all, I wanted to create a variable. I'll give the name to the variable tilt sensor so that I can store the value of tilt sensor. Okay, and set that tilt sensor variable, that is, I have connected tilt sensor to the digital pin number 2. So read digital pin number 2 and इसे अभी अपन serial monitor पे print करेंगे. Let's see how to print this on the serial monitor now. Go to the output and take this serial monitor out and put the variable and just take here. Now we have created variable. We have assigned that variable to the read digital pin 2, and now we wanted to print the value. Let's simulate this and let's see. So now the value is 0. So we'll click on sensor. Click on sensor. Now you can able to see whenever I tilt the sensor, you can see the value is 1. Right? Now you can see whenever you tilt the sensor, the value is 1 now. Whenever you tilt the sensor, value is 1. ठीक है, आपको यहाँ से समझ आएगा. जैसे आप टिल्ट कर रहे हो तो सेंसर की वैल्यू 1 हो रही है, 0 पे नथिंग. ओके, स्टॉप सिमुलेशन and we'll do the coding now. We'll apply some conditional statements. Go to the conditions. If we'll use the two conditions. Go to the maths, take this and go to the variable and take our variable, that is if tilt sensor is equal to 1 अगर ये 1 होता है रहता है, if tilt sensor is equal to 1, then we wanted to flash. 1 means क्या होता है, आपने भी देखा, 1 means your sensor is tilted. आपका जो सेंसर है वो टिल्ट हुआ है, तो उसे क्या है, उस पे वो वहाँ पे फिर इसके लिए क्या करना है, अपने को फ्लैश करना है एलईडी को. सो गो टू द आउटपुट, सेट पिन नंबर, take this 2 and go in control, take this one more, go here, set pin number 9 to high and low. जैसे टिल्ट होता है तो इसे अपन हाई लो करेंगे फास्ट में, so that it gives a flashing effect. Okay, yes, and the next one, go to the maths and same thing for the last, equal to, whenever tilt sensor is equal to the 0, yeah, that means your sensor is not tilted. Then what you can do, go to the output, set pin number 9 to low. यानी जब आपका सेंसर टिल्टेड नहीं है तो इसने लो होना चाहिए, यानी जो एलईडी है वो ऑन नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी, whenever your sensor tilt, it should give the flashing effect. It's very easy. Now the sensor is not tilted, you can see the value. Now the sensor is not tilted, you can see the value. It's 0. For 0 we have coded pin number 9 should be low. So let's tilt the sensor and now you can see the flashing effect. Yes, if you are not able to see, I will zoom it out. Yes, now you can see the flashing effect on the screen. So instead of LED, आप यहाँ पे एक्चुएटर्स यूज कर सकते हो, मोटर्स यूज कर सकते हो, जो भी आपको यूज करना है. इंस्टेड ऑफ एलईडी, बजर, एवरीथिंग यू कैन, एनीथिंग यू कैन यूज दी रिले टू एक्टिवेट एनीथिंग. आप यहाँ पे रिले भी यूज कर सकते हो कि उसके बाद आप दूसरी चीजों को कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट प्रोग्राम और दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू कैन बिल्ड विद द tilt sensor. So if you want the Arduino code, just stop the simulation, go to the block text, you will get it here. आपको यहाँ से Arduino code भी मिल जाएगा completely. You can use this similar code in Arduino and try to run on your hardware. आप आपके real hardware में भी इसे workout कर सकते हो. It's as simple. So thank you everyone for watching. So thanks a lot and just like, share and subscribe. So अगर आपको पसंद आया वीडियो तो आप like कर दीजिएगा. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप कमेंट में बोल दीजिएगा. जस्ट कमेंट अगर कोई डाउट है तो. सो थैंक्स.